Hello and welcome. Discover the Honey Can Do wall-mounted clothes rack, a perfect space-saving solution for drying clothes efficiently at home. This stylish wooden rack features a drying rod and drying rack, helping keep your laundry organized and your space neat. It supports up to 30 pounds and weighs just 13.45 pounds, ensuring sturdy and reliable use. The rack folds out to about 20 degrees for easy access and compact storage when not in use. With dimensions of 2.25 inches deep, 23 inches wide, and 42 inches high, it fits perfectly in any modern living space. Brighten your laundry area with this clean and stylish white drying rack designed for smart home organization. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.